Welcome to my dear student. I am Shishir Kumar Sahu. Today I will teach you about decimals. Let's start the class. First we know what is decimals. The numbers expressed in decimal form are called decimal numbers or simply decimals. Okay. The which number we expressed in decimal form are called decimals. Now we will take example. 6.2 is a decimal form. 3.298 it is a decimal form. Okay. 7.502 also 5. All are decimal place. Okay. Here this one is the decimal point and it is divided two part, and left to decimal point are whole part, whole number part, and decimal point to right are decimal numbers part. Decimal we have known about the whole part, but what this about this side? What about this side? We don't know. This part, what this part, what this part, what. Okay. Now we know one by one. Okay. This is the 10th part. This is the 10th part. This is the 100th part. This is the 1000th part. 10th part means if a block of unit is divided equal to 10 part and each part is 1 by 10, and this one we can write 1/10, and when it is written as decimals we will write 0.1. Okay, and this is the 10th part. A 10th part means if a block of unit is divided equal 100 part and each part is equal to 1 by 100, and this one we can write 1 by 100, and it is written as in decimal 0.01. Okay, and this part is the 1000th part. 1000th part means if a block of unit is divided equal to 1000 parts and each part is 1 by 1000, and this also we can write 1000th, and when it is written as a decimal we will write 0.001. Okay. So 2 part means 0.2 means 2/10. A block of two unit is divided equal 10 part. So 0.2. 2 block of unit divided 10 part. This one 9. 9 means 9 unit divided into 100 part. 9 upon 100. This one 0.2 we can write 2 by 10. 0.09 we can write 9 by 100. 9 upon 100. Okay. Now we know how to write decimal number. We have known how to write whole number part, but we don't know how to write decimal number part. Okay. Now we know. So this one is equal to, how we write this one? We know how to write whole part number. So this one how we write? First we will write whole part 50. 53 first we will write. Then we'll write point, and then 2, 9 and 8. Okay, and another way also, this one we can, how we will write? First we have to write whole part 53, then we will write, and then direct we will write 200 298 thousand. Okay, in this type we can write. Now we'll take another number. Suppose 6.02, and how will write? First we will write whole part number. Whole part is 6. Then 6 point we will write 6.0 is present. Each is a digit we will write here. 4 point and 0 and 2. Okay. Another way how we will write this one? 6 and this one is the 100th place present, so we will direct 200. Okay, so in this type any decimal number we can write in words. Okay, and its we will know about its place value. Suppose C023.209. Okay, about its place value. We have known about whole number part. This one 3 means 3, and this one suppose we will start from left side from the number. So this one it is the present in a 1000 place, we will write 6000, and this one 100 place, and this one we have known 10 place, so 210, 20. This one unit place 3. But what this about this? Okay, so what will be this one? So we will write here 2 means 210, so 2 by 10. This one 0 by 100, and this one 9 by 1000. Okay, so here we have concluded that decimals number also increase in from right to left 10 times for each digit, and decrease in from left to right side 1 digit, next 1 digit, next 1 digit, next 1 digit. Okay, now we know 0 in decimal number. Okay, now we know 0 in decimal number. Here when we will put extreme right side of the number, then 0 has no value, and when we will put extreme left side also this number, 0 has no value. And when we will put 0 decimal point to left, only one step left, then it will increase the whole number part 10 times. Increase 10 times. Okay, and when we put 0 after decimal point 1 step, then when will happen? It will decrease decimal number 10 times, because before 2 we can before 2 is equal to 2 by 10, but now 2 is equal to 2 by 100. Okay. Now we know comparing decimal number. So compare. So decimals number can be compared using idea of a place value. Okay. Suppose 6.02 and 5.09. Here I have taken some example. Okay, now we will compare. First one 6.02, second one 5.09. Which is greater? First we'll check, we'll compare its whole number. Which whole part is greater? That number is greater. So first one whole part is 6 and second one whole part is 5. So it is must be greater. And second case, both of whole part are same. Then what we'll do? If both whole part are same, we will take its tenth part. We will compare its decimal number. First we will compare tenth part. And then tenth part are same. So then what we'll do? Then we will compare 100 part, and the 100 part 100 place also same. Okay. Then we will compare 1000 place. So 1000th place is 3 and 1000th place is 4. So this is greater. Okay. Now third, how we compare this one? Both of the whole part also same. Then we check its decimal numbers. So here first decimal number is 0 and first decimal digit is 1. So it is 1 means more than 0. So first 10th place is greater from here. So it is greater. So in this type we can compare two decimal number which is greater and which is smaller. Okay. Now we know like decimal and unlike decimal. So what are like decimal, unlike decimal? Decimal numbers having same decimal places are called like decimals. We'll take some example. 6.2, 3.29, 6.01. They all are like decimal because all places, decimal places are same. And unlike decimals means just opposite. When you will write 2.23, 0.9, 6.023, all are unlike decimals. Okay, because here it has two decimal places, it has one decimal place, and this one is the three decimal places. Okay, now we will know how to convert unlike decimal to like decimals. So here among 1 is the 3 decimal places, so we can't convert into 2 or 1 decimal places. So the rest of the 2 decimal we can convert into 3 decimal places. So we have known if we will put here 0, 0 has no value, but its place will increase, and then it is now 3 decimal place, and here also we will put 2 0. So now all are like decimal. Okay. Now we will know decimal to fraction. Okay. Now we'll take some example of decimal. Okay. These are 3 decimal and we have to convert into fraction. First one will convert. So first ignore the decimal point and write that number 62. And here how many digit present after decimal point? From right 1. So we'll put 1 in 10. Okay. And this one, ignore the decimal point and write that number 602. And how many digit is after decimal to right 2 digit? So we'll put 20 in 1. Like that, how many according to the formula we will remove the decimal point and write that number 2. Okay. And how many digit present right to decimal point? 3 digit, and we put 3 0 in 1. Okay. In this type, we can convert decimal to fraction. Okay. Now we will know how to convert fraction to decimal. Okay. So 65 by 10, how will convert? First write that number. Okay. How many zero present in one in denominator? 1 0. So we have to count from right side of that number and after one digit we will put comma. The answer is the 6.5. If how we convert into decimal? First write that number 6632. Here how many zero present in 1? 2 0. Then we will estimate right side of the number and count after 2 digit we will put comma. Then 66.32. Okay. Now another example we will take. Okay. 22 by 1000. So 22 or 22 upon 1000. How will convert into decimal? First write that number 22. So 22. How many zero present in 1? Here 3 0. So count from right of that number and after 3 digit we will put comma. Here so here only 2 digit present. So how we will put comma? Then that place also we can put 0. So 1 2 3 and then we will put comma. 0.022 and this also can write 0.022. Okay. So in this type we can convert fraction to decimal. Okay. If denominator are not 0, so then what will do? Suppose 2 by 5. So how will convert this one into decimal? So we have to convert its denominator anyhow 10, 100 or 1000. Okay. So 2 by 5 we can write, if we multiply both numerator and denominator, then denominator will be 0. 4 by 10. Okay. So 4 by 10 we can write. Then how many 0 in 1? 1 0. So after number and we will count from right side and put 0.4. Okay. If 5 by 8, suppose we don't know which number will multiply with 8 and it will be 1000, then what will do? That time we will direct divide. Okay. By division process also you can solve. How? So 5 will take its dividend and 8 its divisor. Now we will divide. So 5 also we can write 5 is 0 0 in this type, and so 8 0 0 will be 5 and bring down 0 50. So 8, then here we will put, because bring down 0 means we will put here decimal point. So 8 6 is equal to 48 and 2 and bring down another 0 20 82 60 4, then bring down another 0 40 85 ja 40. Okay. Direct we can write this one is equal to 0.625. By division process we can convert fraction to decimal.